How to find downloads on iPhone. So all you have to do is to find your downloads, right? And to do that is, of course, you have to download a file. Let's say you are downloading a file. So maybe it's from a messenger. And then let's say it's from messenger. Let's say this file, it actually came from messenger. It was sent to me. So let's say I want to download this file. Now to do that is on the bottom part, you will see this arrow icon here. Just tap on that. And here, tap on open in Safari, and then it will redirect you to the Safari. Now the next thing that you want to do is to tap on the same icon what we just did, and then here scroll all the way down up until you see save files. Now as you can see here, tap on the upper part, you will see save there. Tap on save, say replace it. So let's just go back here. It will automatically be saved to your file. You can actually create a folder for that. It actually depends on you, but where you can find it is you can go here to your app library and just type there files, here files, and then you can go here to your browse and then tap on my iPhone, tap on your recents here, and as you can see, you have found your downloads here. And basically that is how you find your downloads on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.